Gambare!
I'll teach you my version, okay? This is how you shoot Daddy's version. Left foot forward. Here. Left foot forward. Okay? It's like it's a boxer style. Like you can box. Then, here first. Together, look at me. Here. Okay? Go first. Here. Go. 1, 2, 3, fire. Right. Okay, again. When you run, look at me. Okay, run. Start hit first. And then 1, fire, 1, fire, here. 1.
Wait, why 2 fingers on the trigger? Yeah, good. Yes. Nice. Ah.